Guys, you're probably wondering why is there 2 videos in one day? And yeah, I was here to show you the butterfly knife tricks that I did with scissors. Literally scissors. You can see it, but it is scissors. And now I'll show you some tricks. Sorry if it's really fast. And here's a trick that I've been taught by my good friend Matthew. Wait. Wait, not that. If you didn't see that, sorry. I want to do it again. So here's how to do it. First, you do this. Shake it up. I've been like literally shake it up. And then 2 times do this. Backward. Yeah. And then do it again. 1 more time. And then if you reach this position, snap. That's how you do it. And then here's another trick. It's so easy. It's just like, wait. It's just like going up. Going up. Sorry, get my door. Going up and going down. See? As easy as that. In order to hold the scissors like a butterfly knife, put it in if it's open, it's like this, in this hole. But if it's closed, it's still in the same hole, but it's at the other side. So watch this. Fastest I can do this trick, says that with the scissors, is 1 second, I think, or 1-2 seconds. Oops. Sorry about that. And let's keep on doing that, and then eventually I will be. Wait. Oh my god! Beep! And sorry for that. I accidentally threw my scissors on my cell phone. I'm just showing you the tricks of my butterfly knife scissors. Actually, it's not the real butterfly knife scissors, but it's just normal scissors that I use as a butterfly knife. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Look out, Definitely 4 out.